Do you have a sweet tooth but also want to stay healthy? It may sound like a paradox, but it isn't. Welcome to a world where indulgence meets wellness. Today, we're diving into two mouth-watering yet guilt-free dessert recipes. First up, we have the vegan chocolate avocado mousse. This recipe combines the richness of chocolate with the creaminess of avocado, a powerhouse of nutrients. Start by melting 70% dark chocolate and let it cool. Meanwhile, blend ripe avocados until smooth, then add in the cooled chocolate. Sweeten this mixture with pure maple syrup, and for an extra depth of flavor, add a pinch of sea salt. Blend until well combined. Chill this velvety mousse for at least 2 hours before serving, and voila! A decadent dessert that's also packed with heart-healthy fats. Next up is the berry chia seed pudding. Chia seeds, tiny yet mighty, are a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Begin by mixing chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk. Let this mixture sit for at least 5 hours, or better yet, overnight. The seeds will absorb the liquid and transform into a pudding-like consistency. Layer this pudding with a variety of fresh berries, and for a touch of natural sweetness, drizzle some raw honey on top. A vibrant, refreshing dessert is ready to be savored. In a world where health and indulgence often seem at odds, these recipes prove that they can harmoniously coexist. The vegan chocolate avocado mousse, a dessert where the indulgence of chocolate meets the nutrients of avocado, and the berry chia seed pudding, dessert where the vibrancy of berries meets the power of chia seeds. Both desserts are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. Remember, a healthy lifestyle doesn't mean bidding farewell to desserts, it's about making mindful choices and finding balance. So go on, satiate that sweet tooth without any guilt. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more recipes that let you indulge without compromise. Here's to a sweeter, healthier life.